Good morning. So, today is June 1st, which means it's a new month, and I kind of announced that I would be vlogging the whole entire month of the whole entire month of June. It's not going to be daily vlogs, but I will be vlogging every single day, just not uploading every single day. Okay, now I have to go. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. Please excuse my lips. I was trying on this lip color, but then some things went wrong. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here because I didn't really vlog that much today, and I was thinking that I was gonna just combine the vlogs, but I realized that I'm probably gonna have like a full day of vlogs tomorrow because I'm going to the zoo tomorrow. What? So I am actually going to insert in all of the beach footage that I got on the 30th of May. Kathleen and I went to the beach for Memorial Day. There were so many people, but we did have a pretty jam-packed couple of hours. So here's all the footage. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Good morning. So it's a lot darker here than I thought it was gonna be. So I went to sleep with like these ridiculous braids on because I wanted my hair to be curly today. So you know what, I'm gonna go somewhere with better lighting. Hold on. So it is now about 10:29. Kat was supposed to get here around 10 and we were supposed to leave, but she kind of just woke up, so she's gonna do her best to come here at around like 11. My hair is not how I want it to be, but it's still pretty wavy, so I guess this is okay. But it looks really messy, and it's not supposed to, but whatever. So I'm gonna pack now for the beach. I'm probably just gonna take my bag that I used for dance performance this year and take like a selfie stick because you can't go to the beach without your selfie stick. And a whole bunch of other things. So this is my selfie stick. Let's get packing.
All the times that you rain on my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone to. All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more.
Wait, it's on the ocean right now. I need to figure this out.
Hanging on your fence.
We're at the beach. Yeah. Okay. Go.
Tell me what you want, what you like, it's okay. I'm a little curious too. Tell me if it's wrong, if it's right, I don't care. I can keep a secret, kid. Yeah, got my mind. Can't keep my hands to myself. No matter how hard I'm trying to. I want you all to myself. Your metaphorical gin and juice. So come on, give me a taste.
Saying goodbye to the beach. We're gonna go up to the pier and then go eat some food. Yay! Last. Okay, my feet are Do you like writing like stuff? Oh really? Ooh. This is for cute. Are you excited? I'm too short to actually get the food though. We're at Tender Greens. How do you feel? I have to get your first reaction, by the way. Really? It's a tradition, yeah. chicken. And then taste the mashed potatoes. This is for you, Kyujin. That's good, huh? Woo!
Guys, so we just got done eating tender greens. And this is my plate and Sandy's plate. That's good. You guys should come here. Bye. Bye.
Put your feet in. Let's go down this way. We're at the 3rd Street Promenade and we did some very light shopping. I got one thing from Lush, but we're gonna head back to the buses now. But I think we should like stop at Sephora first, so yay! Yay! You don't get as many toppings as I do. Yay! That'll like expose. Hello. So come in. Hello. So we're currently on our way home. We decided to walk even though it's kind of chilly and she's wearing shorts. After Yogurtland it's kind of chilly, but yeah, we're walking home now and hopefully we can film like a video together before she goes. So yeah.